Hey guys, how are you? I'm Ceilo, student ambassador at UC. I wanted to tell you what some of the things that I do due to coronavirus. We all our classes are online, and I work from home too, so I don't have to go anywhere out of my house. Practically, I stay the whole day at my house. So some of the things that I like to do is like exercise, talk to my family, do my homeworks because now we're back, study for my tests, work. I like to watch movies with my friends. Sometimes we do TikToks. And some of the things that we also like to do are like baking. So today I'm gonna show you how my friends and I, well, just me actually, how I actually make a banana bread, which is, I will consider it will be vegan if you don't add the chocolate chips. Some of the ingredients you can replace it with whatever you need. Um, but in general, I'll consider this a vegan banana bread if you don't add the chocolate chips, unless that you find vegan chocolate chips. And these are the ingredients that you will need. So as you saw, the banana bread was good. It was delicious. I love banana bread. It's one of my favorite desserts. And I hope you guys are healthy, keeping safe, and stay at home. I'll see you guys next week.